Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we saw the unboxing of the product Gaomon M1230 graphics pen tablet. In this video, we will see how to set up this product with the computer. For this purpose, we need the following things. The first of all is the laptop or computer. The second thing is the Type-C cable for connecting the tablet with the computer. And the third thing is the tablet itself, and the fourth thing is the pen, digital pen, and the fifth thing is the glove for wearing on hands, and the sixth thing is the Type-C converter for the mobile. So these are the things which are required for setting up this product with the computer. So now let's start the setup of this product. First of all, go onto your computer screen and open the web browser. Then in the Google search bar type Gaomon and open the website gaomon.net. Or when you will search in the Google, the first website comes is the gaomon.net website. It's the official website of the Gaomon. Open this website. Go to the sports section and there is the option of driver download. Click it. And this page will open in front of you. On this page, you can filter the model of your product. Click on this tab and select M1220. As the product M1230 is the newly launched product, so it is not listed on this website. Therefore, we will select M1220. After that, in the product category, select driver, and then in the system category, select your operating system. As my operating system is Windows, therefore I will select Windows. Selecting these, so after selecting these options, you will get the following two drivers. Select the latest one, as this one is the latest driver, therefore I will download this driver. Now I will go to the downloaded folder and you can see a zip file has been downloaded on my system. Extract this file on your computer. After extracting, you will get this folder. Open this and install the file. After it is successfully installed, the application icon will appear in the taskbar here. Double click on this icon and you will get the following application open in your on your computer. So as now there is no tablet connected with our computer, therefore it is showing us that there is no device detected. We have installed our driver. Now we will connect our tablet with the PC. After installing your driver software, connect the tablet with your PC with the help of this Type-C cable. Type-C port is present on the top left corner of the tablet. Connect one end at this port and the other end in the PC. I have now connected the Type-C cable and you can see here that a white light is glowing on this button. On the computer you can see the following screen, and at the bottom of this application you can now see that M1230 device connected. It means that our device is now connected with the computer. And now we can set up our tablet. So first option is the digital pen. Here on this screen you can set the pressure sensitivity of the digital pen. I will leave it as it is as the default settings. And the second option is the pen tablet. When you click it, you can customize the keys on the tablet. The keys present on the tablet are called the express keys, and when you hover your mouse on these keys, and you can see that the following options are set on these keys. You can also change these options according to your will. For example, I want this button as the control save option, so I will click it, and this window will open in front of me. I will first delete this E and then click in this box, and then I will type control plus S, or means control plus save. Then I will simply close this mini box, and this button is now set as control plus save button. So whenever I will press this button, my file will be automatically saved. Similarly, I have customized these buttons as this one the up button, this one the down button, the middle one as the enter button, this one as the right button, and this one as the left button. Similarly, you can also customize other keys, but I will leave them as it is on the default settings. And now I will set the workspace. This is the workspace of my tablet, and this orange box is showing the current workspace of my tablet. I have two options, that is full area or screen ratio. In full area, this one is the workspace of our tablet, and in screen ratio option, the workspace will be set up according to the screen ratio of your computer. So I will set it on my screen ratio. So here is the work area of my tablet. As my screen resolution is 1280 multiplied 720, therefore this is the screen resolution or workspace of my tablet. Then there is a settings option on this application. Here you can select the language and other settings. You can back up your settings in a file and then later import it if you want to shift on another computer. This option shows the firmware version of our application or tablet, and this is telling us about the tablet company or origination. So I will now close my application and will show you how to write or draw on the tablet. First of all, I will wear glove on my right hand. This glove is used to prevent the unintended strokes on the tablet. This is my pen in a pen case. Now I will open OneNote for Windows 10 on my PC. And create a new page here. And then simply start writing with the help of this pen. As you can see, as I move my hand or my pen, a mouse is also moved according to it. So as I am writing on the tablet, the same is appearing on the on my screen. Here I can change the color of my pen. I will change now it to blue color and then simply click here. You can also draw some pictures with the help of this pen. For example, I am now drawing a house. So this is the house I have drawn with the help of this pen and tablet. You can also draw in other applications like in Paint 3D or in Paint application. You can also save a sticky note with the help of this pen and tablet. For example, I will now open a sticky note. So here is my sticky note. I will create a new one. And here I will write a note. So this is a demonstration that how we use this pen and tablet to draw and write on PC. Now I will show you how to use this tablet to draw or write in mobile phone. For the purpose of showing you how to use this tablet with the mobile phone, I have shifted to my mobile phone screen. For the mobile phone, this tablet needs no additional software or driver. To show you how to write or draw on the mobile phone, I have downloaded the application which is named as Autodesk Sketchbook. I am now going to open this application. This is a screen of Autodesk Sketchbook. Now I am going to write something here. We can also draw some pictures here. So this was a demonstration of how to use this tablet with the mobile phone and the computer. Now it's the time for review. It's a very low cost product. You can buy it for just $69 from the AliExpress. As far as the look of the product is concerned, this is a very beautiful and elegant product. The build quality of the product is very good and is made of very excellent plastic. The third thing is whether this product is easy to use or not. I would say this product is very easy to use. As for the mobile, you don't need any additional driver or software for using this product. You just simply connect this tablet with the mobile through the OTG converter and start using it to draw or write on the mobile phone. For the PC or computer, you just need an additional driver which you can download from the Gaomon official website and just install that driver and start using this tablet for writing and drawing on the computer. So I would say this is a very useful product in this price range for the writers and drawing enthusiasts. If you liked this video, then please hit the like button and do subscribe our channel. Allah Hafiz.